Okay, so my name is Seth Daniel Jeet, and originally I'm from Lambasa, and this is my 4 years of apprenticeship in Goodman Fielder. And as soon as I graduated from when I came from Form 6, I applied for apprenticeship in Goodman Fielder, so I got the job, and yeah, that's how I started my journey. It was quite challenging because as soon as I came from school, I didn't do any job or anything. I just straight away started doing my job, so it was quite challenging. So like from my all of my years in school, I didn't get any trophies, so it was like big shout out to me. So my mom is here, so obviously my dad is in Lamasa, so actually both of them.
Actually, I could not hold my tears. I was so proud. He's my only child, and I'm very proud of him. And I thank God for whatever he's doing in his life.
I would say go for it. If you are being pointed to go and work in Goodman Fielder as an apprenticeship, don't lose it because it's one of a kind.